That's a welding heat on the end there. You're not welding anymore, you just went into a lemon. There's your Lifesaver orange. That guy says, those little bubbles are like molecules. There's an orange heat. Going into the bright red or salmon color. You can get at the welding supply temple sticks, T-E-M-P-I-L, of varying temperature. That's a bright cherry red. Medium cherry red, what you should be hardening it. Going into a low cherry red. Yeah, you can get these temple sticks. If you buy one that says 1,000 degrees on it, you make a mark on your steel, it'll melt at 1,000 degrees. It's like a crayon. But they're expensive. But you can also learn how to recognize your heats by just doing it over and over again, practicing, looking at your heats. I went to, my brother-in-law was a geophysicist, and he was doing some research in Arizona, and I went down to visit. He was in his lab. They had an optic pyrometer. It's they're expensive. You look through this steel and you turn a dial until the red color in the machine matches the red color you're looking at, and then you read the temperature. He tested me against it. I was never more than 30 degrees off. He said, "How the fuck can you do that?" And I said, "I'm a blacksmith."